Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be playing gacha. And I know it's hard, but I'm making my icy character. Okay, read it. Since we have no ice, wow, this is crazy. I didn't do anything. Oh, never mind. I'm sorry, guys. I just missed it. I like you. Oh, that's so cute. He's close to me. Okay, guys. There are rules. Okay. It's like a battle with her. Okay, now let's go on. So yeah, Bex. No, Bex, I don't want any of those Bex. Head, hair. They added more. Remember last episode? These are I'm sorry, you do. No, I do not want to know. Now we can see them. Okay. Oh, okay. Then we do that. Oh, there's water on them though. If they didn't have water on them, they'd be perfect. Ooh, that's cute. I forgot how my avatar even looked now. Whatever. Yeah, it's really no. No, we can just do the cute stuff. Then the previous page. What? What does it go on? Oh. What? They're mixed up. Wait, this had... Yeah, wait, this one? Okay, so what you doing, Pearl? Good morning, baby. My little puppy is in here. Adjusting it. Yes. Gonna have to make it shorter because it's got to. But yeah, there. Now let's go to hair. Go for those long babies over here. These there. Oh no, I missed. Okay, it doesn't have to be perfect, but like, who's that weird thing over there? I don't have anyone else. She has teardrop. Oh, it's her eyes. It's her eye. Who's that weird thing over there? Okay, my pupils will be... Well, they have to be snowflakes. But I don't see any snowflakes. Guys, I need help. There's no snowflakes. Okay, maybe... I don't think there's anything snow-like in here. Oh. Well, I guess I'm a misfit. I guess we can go for the cheap, well, blue snowflakes, which they will be white. Your eyes will be dark. No. Maybe white. Oh, that would be blue. The main. Oh, that's the outlining. You want that to be blue. Okay. It's just creepy because it has no sparkle. Oh. Eyebrows. Yes. Yes. Everything's perfect there. Face. Is she pooping? No. I like this one. But I don't like the color. We need to make that black. I like whenever everything's were black. Black. There. Wait, did I? Yes, I did. Dang it. White. Okay, there. See? Now the tongue part. A tongue dealio. Yeah, but maybe if it was like a lie. You're being like a tongue pink. No, but now. Oh. Perfect. I liked it whenever it was like this. I think I know what I should do. Should I? No. Okay. I was thinking to myself. Well. Yes. Just kidding. I'm just gonna do that cute little face. This one. This cutie. I was gonna say, but maybe on the next page I'll pick something from there. Nope. Nope, nope, nope. No, boy. Maybe the next page. Oh, okay, I'm done. Oh, that's cute. Okay. Nose. Yeah, I think I'll go with that cute little dot of a nose. Like the cute little rim. Clothes. Teardrop. Snowflake? No. Yeah, no. Okay, let's see what we got here. Ooh, they added more stuff. And more stuff. Oh, so that's all. Oh, ooh, yeah. Show me. Baby, can you see me now? I'm rising all above those broken bones. Falling to the dark side. Dun, 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 da, 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 da. It's a good magic. Ooh, 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 ooh. La, 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 la. Okay, guys, I'm gonna have to pause. You've moved on to the shoes because I can't figure out what skirt. Well, so it's on my part, and I click adjust, and yeah. We ain't gonna worry about that, right? Ooh, let's go cute. I'm crazy. I'm going crazy. But see, like, no short skirt. Oh. I'm dumb. I'm a dum-dum. You added more skirts? What? Like, that's the perfect skirt. But the outlining has to be white. White? No, not for the shirt. For the skirt outline has to be white. Outlining white. But then you won't see the... Yeah, let's just go with that. Okay, I'm going crazy over everything in here. I can't figure out what skirt to put on. Ooh, that's cute. I'm gonna have to go look at my avatar then. I figured it out. She has these little things on, but it's blowing in the wind, so I can't do that. If I find something that's on the side, like big on the side, not like this, but like, yeah. I want to use something from this. Oh my gosh. Ooh, that's cute. But I need to figure out something. Should I do the one that I did for my for my fire character? Yeah, I'm going to. I literally have to. I have no other way. So, her sleeves are like a... If I'm wrong with all of this, I'm sorry. I forget stuff so easily. Like, literally so easily. Like, I just want to make this character cute. I'm just gonna make the... But I ain't gonna copy my OC. I'm just gonna make a cute character. Fast. So I'm just looking for a cute top. I'm just looking. I'm gonna make this close to my character, but not too close. Just a little bit close to my character should be fine. Well, I'm putting the quilt on. Okay, now we can put on. Oh my gosh, yes, I want to put that on. But I'm gonna put on these sleeves. Oh, now that's cute. Water club, no. And my favorite. No. No. Profile. Oh, that's my turn then. Ooh, I can't pick, like, oh, yes I can. She has a snowflake on her eye patch, of course. So, alpha boys, what? What the? I'm gonna pause you. Okay guys, so I made a little bit of adjustments to my character. Oh my gosh, wow. Cool. And so, yeah. We still don't have any ice marks, do we? She'll get a diamond instead. Never mind. I'm trying to, right now I'm looking for just like a regular cute little snowflake necklace. I know, I'm just gonna find a regular choker. Put on. My character doesn't look like it seems, but I like it. And it's my YouTube channel. I will make some changes in the future. But yeah. This is her. Let's see what props we have. Oh yeah. I don't know if it's always been in Gacha Life, but I think we have more foods now that we can hold. Ooh, cool. Poop. Ew, I didn't even know that. Umbrellas, tritons, boots, flowers, and bam, 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 bam. Oh, it's like boom, boom, boom. Let's go. Oh, I know they always have phones, but this looks cool. Well, yeah. Like, it's like less detailed, super detailed. Less detailed, super detailed. Yeah. They did add more foods that you can hold. Yum. And you can hold that. Okay, cool. I like all these. Oh yeah, boy. It's like less detailed. Well, looks like a tulip. But I like roses so much. Yum. They're so cute. There's so many stuff. I love it. Let's see. This should be mine. Well, it is gonna be mine. Okay, now. Wait. Okay, there. Now I'm gonna do Mr. Ice Wolf. I don't know how that dark stuff goes there, but it's okay. This is Ice Wolf. Me. Let's see if I can do anything. I'm gonna say something, yep.